Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the headphones have enough charge. Low battery can interrupt the reset. Power off the Beats Solo 4 by holding the power button until LEDs go dark, then wait 3 seconds. Once done, press and hold the power button plus the Bluetooth pairing button together until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode and prepares internal settings for reset. You do this because the headset must be in pairing state for the factory reset command to register properly with the firmware. You now execute the hard reset. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons simultaneously for roughly 10 to 12 seconds. The LED will change behavior, often alternating or showing a rapid flash, which signals the reset command is accepted. Keep holding through the indicator change, then release both buttons. After release, give the headset 30 seconds to fully reboot so the codec, pairing memory, and ANC parameters clear and reinitialize. This step wipes stored Bluetooth pairings and restores default audio profiles. Once the reset finishes, you should repair. On your phone, forget any existing Beats Solo 4 entries, then scan and pair as a fresh device. This prevents reconnect conflicts. If pairing fails, try a second hard reset. Ensure the headphones are charged to at least 20%, or attempt pairing with another device to isolate the issue. If the LED never indicated reset or the headset is unresponsive after retries, that's a sign to contact support. Hardware faults often require repair or replacement after 2 attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.